Hi! In front of me is Emporia SMART 5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit to access Display. Now tap on Printing at the bottom and select Default Print Service. Then wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you want to use different service though, you need to disable this one by tapping on this switcher. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Service. Finally, install the best one for you, and when it's ready, click on the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your new service and wait again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!